Living lovely, she's lovely. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm looking real rough. I woke up like 30 minutes ago. I just got out the shower and I need some water. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all, as y'all can see by the title, how to get a sleek low ponytail. And I was in the shower and I washed my hair, so yeah, but I need to wash my face first before I do any of this. So I'm gonna go wash my face and come right back. Alright, and so I'm back. Yep, I'm back. And we are going to get started. So when I was in the shower, my hair kind of parts itself, so I was combing through my hair and this happens. I still need to touch it up a bit, but yeah, so I'm just going to get this stuff. It's called Hawaiian Silky. It's a miracle worker. It's 14 in 1. I'm gonna just take a picture of it and put it somewhere in the video because it's a lot of stuff it does and I don't feel like reading it. Then have a hydrating curling cream. Now I have my hair blow dried, so it's going to need this, but mainly this stuff. Then I'm also going to be using, I don't know if this company is pronounced Organics or OGX, like I don't know, but I know their products were good. But I'm gonna use the Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. Excuse me, mist. Is this stuff getting in the way? It is. I'm gonna use, I don't know how to pronounce this oil. I just know, oh wait, no, because the thing said it's candle nut oil basically. Y'all can look it up, but it's a Hawaiian nut tree or whatever. It's an anti-frizz hydrating oil. Then I'm gonna use this coconut milk anti-breakage serum. Yeah. And I guess I can use some Eco Style gel. Wait, this one is empty. Oops. I'm gonna have to use the rest of this one. There's hardly any in there. So yeah, I'm gonna use the black castor oil and flaxseed Eco Styling gel. Let me use my wipes. And then where the ponytail holders at? Don't. Oh, I forgot I took one out already. We need ponytail holder. I don't use the smaller ones because I always either break them, lose them, or I get really frustrated with my hair in a ponytail. So I just end up breaking them anyway. So I use the big one, and this one has like no seam at all on it. So if this thing breaks, I'll be pissed. Then I'm going to use a brush. Y'all, this this brush done been through it. Like seriously. Like I think I had this brush before I was born. And you hear that? Before. Like that's how old it is, and ew. It still just does a good job. I'm also going to be using beeswax, or if I need it, because I use it to keep my hair down, but if I don't need it, I'm not going to use it. Just to give y'all heads up. Will I need that? Yeah. I'm going to use this got to be, what does it say? Invincible Styling Gel. This stuff be saying invincible, but sometimes it be having its days it just don't want to work. But we'll see about today. We'll see. I'm gonna put that right there, and then I'm gonna use 2 of these. I got 2 different toothbrushes. A harder one, the bristles are much harder, and a softer one. So, yep, that's it. So I'm just gonna take my hair out, and it's conditioner in there right now. I use it's the same company as this stuff. But yeah, I didn't use the shampoo because it's not wash day for me, and my hair gets really dry if I wash it too soon. So I just put conditioner. I left the conditioner in the bathroom. Shit. Anyway, yeah, it's argan oil of Morocco. But the next set I'm getting is the coconut milk water and oil because my hair loves coconut for some reason. And yeah, so I used that, and I also used a paddle brush, which I need to get all the hair out of, but I don't feel like it, so, but I'm doing it anyway, so never mind. Alright, that's most of it. Okay, so then I'm just going to keep that conditioner through. Alright. So now I'm going to take this. Wait, no, I don't use that first. I use this, and this first. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, that's in there. Put that back. Then I'm gonna use the anti-frizz. I only use this on the top of my head and really on my ends. Then we're gonna take this. Oh, okay, it's not. Is it open? Yeah. I'm gonna take this anti-breakage serum. I'm gonna focus this on the ends of my hair too, cause I need my ends clipped. I have not had my ends clipped for a whole year. It's went on a year and a half in June. So it's been a year and 8 months. I have not had my ends clipped at all. But it's not that bad. Like, it's not noticeable. So, yeah. Now, wait. I'm going to take this stuff. Hey, Dad. Oh, he can't say hi to me. Okay, so I guess I won't need it. I'm not going to need this. I'm going to take some more of this and I almost dropped it. So now I'm going to take this brush. I'm just going to brush my hair back. Okay, so now we got that. Then you could take, where did I put it? Oh, you could take this. Let's skin looks so good. And I'm taking a little bit, because I only got a little bit, but let me try that again. I'm taking a little bit because I only got a little bit, so I'm just, y'all see where I'm putting it. This feels really good. Then I just brush it. My hair looks short. I don't like it, but it's whatever. Make sure you got a good grip on it. And then I'll wrap it twice. And then when I do the bun, I flip my hair upwards in the back. So it looks like that. Is this centered? I don't know if it's not even in the center. Ew, I can't stay when that happens. That's much better. So I'm gonna take a brush and just brush it back. Ew, it look like it's whatever. At least that's why I got these. Okay. I'm gonna take this. I just put it right here only. We'll take the hard brush and so I do like that. Then I take some of these wax. I need some more water. Just press it in there. And then swoop. Yes. Yes. What? And okay. And that's pretty much it. So, oh, wait. Nope. That's pretty much it. So, that's the end of this video because I gotta go. I'm hungry. So, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content. Yeah, thanks for being a real one. Bye.